Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is system overview. System overview shows uses data and limits for the organization and displays message when we reach 95% of our limit, 75% of portal roles. The system overview page displays uses for schema, API uses, business logic, user interface, most used licenses, portal roles, navigation of system overview, setup, platform tools, environments, system overview. So to see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. So setup, platform tools, environments, system overview. System overview, view key uses data for your org. So all the details we are seeing over here, schema, your custom object, your custom settings. So 8 we had used, 2% of maximum 400, total custom objects plus total custom settings, that is 8, custom metadata types 0, custom metadata type uses 0%, data storage 352 KB approx of maximum 5 MB, business logic 3 rules are there, means we had created, apex triggers 0, apex classes 0, and most used licenses are analytics cloud integration user 2 are there, both are occupied, Salesforce 2 licenses are there, both are occupied, 100% used, chatter free 1 we are using. At the right side API uses, so 0, user interface custom apps 2 we are using, and we can create up to 10, active Salesforce sites 0, active flows 2, custom tabs we are using 8 and maximum 100 is there. Visual Force pages we are not using for now. So like this we can see the system overview. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.